Here's a BMW X3M competition. One of the most common things we get asked is, what do you recommend for my car? As far as coverage goes, we always recommend doing the front bumper, the hood, the fenders. But to get the most out of it, we like to do the full hood, the full fender, all the way back to here. And one that a lot of people don't realize is the A-pillar and the roof line. If you're getting chips on your windshield, you're also getting chips on your A-pillars and your roof line. Well, this X3M doesn't have mud flaps, so we installed a rocker panel kit that comes up to this line right here and goes all the way down and around. And then it also comes back here and covers this piece going down and all the way up. That way you're getting the best protection, the best look, and you can't even tell it's there.